Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Pepe. We're covering it again. We had quite a big sell-off again. I mean, we were already scared of it yesterday when we covered it yesterday. Let's actually zoom into the 1 hour time frame. What had not happened yet, but what we were expecting was a bearish breakout through this level right here at 14,400, right? That's also always what I name the prices as. But we were expecting some sort of a bearish breakout there. It happened, and we also talked about these moves. I mean, these moves just seemed like sell-offs by some Pepe whales, and that most of the time those moves are actually not bullish. So we got one of those moves again, actually pushed us all the way down to our next support level at 13,500, and well, ultimately 12,500. It's quite a strong level. Like 12,500 is a psychological level. And here at the top, like you could have seen on the 4 hour time frame, we found support at that 200 EMA. That's also a pretty strong support. So altogether, on the short term, it's not looking too bad for Pepe. But if you zoom out, it's obviously not looking great either, because I don't really see a way in which we could get a huge rally right from here. I would love to see it for all of you. I really do, but I gotta stay realistic. I have to say what I really think about a crypto. So that's what I'll do in this video. Now, before we dive into that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals, in which I'm always also very realistic, and we also always make profits. If you want to join that, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find instructions on how to join. But now let's focus on Pepe. So here you can see it. I mean, moves like this, where in a matter of 5 minutes, $4 million of Pepe is sold. And then the 5 minutes afterwards, another 3 million is sold. Like 8 million in a matter of 10 minutes. That's like 10% of the volume in a matter of 10 minutes. 10% of the volume over the last 24 hours in 10 minutes. Yeah, that's going to have a price impact. We've had that a lot. Now, like I said, right now, and perhaps it's better to go to the 4 hour time frame, we have a lot of support, all right? So I do think, we might, that's the wrong tool. We might drop down lower into this level, like 13,000, 12,500, but I do think we can consolidate here. It wouldn't surprise me that we will consolidate here for even like 2 weeks. It's that strong of a level, if Bitcoin remains bullish and stable like this at least. But in the end, what we want is a bullish breakout. And to get some sort of a bullish breakout or rally, the main level to break is 15,000. And at this point of time, there's really nothing that could convince me that we're going to break that. Like in the weekend, we already saw that we got some bullish momentum, like we usually get in the weekend with Pepe. But even with that, we could not break above that entire level around 15,000. So the only thing that could really push Pepe up right now is 2 things, and that's either some sort of huge affiliation, like with Elon Musk, so that Elon Musk tweets about it, or that he changes the Twitter logo to Pepe. Sure, then we can actually rally. So either that or heavy manipulation in the price of Pepe, which, I mean, if that happens, I'll cover that instantly, but for now that's not going on. So for now, I actually do expect because we had some support at that 200 EMA, I expect some bullish momentum. But at the very most, I think we can get up to 14,600. And overall, I think we'll just kind of do something like this, right? So that will respect the downtrend we've been in, and that will drop down further and further in this support level, and that overall will just consolidate a little bit between 12,500 and 14,500. And then at some point of time, and that's where the thumbnail comes from, at some point of time we'll fall down to this level, and I think this level is an amazing buy area. So that's around 10,500. But we'll talk about that more often in the future. For now, it's not that relevant yet. But that's my take on Pepe for today. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.